Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. So let's start the video without wasting any time. And guys, if in which room decor you like, don't forget to comment down with the best room decor. So let's start the video. So you can see the first picture, you can see the floor, you can see the beautiful decoration, the wall, the roof, the cotton and all, the beautiful decoration. This one also a beautiful, you can see the outside view, very beautiful view. You can see the chair, the floor, very beautiful decoration. This one also you can see the kitchen, the beautiful kitchen. You can see the roof, the kitchen, the table, chair and all, very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful. You can see the lamp, the cupboard, you can see keeping clothes and all. And this one, the roof, the floor, the bed and all, the beautiful decoration. You can see the lights, beautiful lights and all. And this one, the lamp, the pink color theme, it is a pink color theme. And the floor, you can see wooden theme floor. And the table, the down, you can see and this one also you can see the mirror, you can see the lamp, you can see the modern classic room decoration, very beautiful. This one you can see the mirror, you can see the window, the best view outside you will get, the lamp you can see, and the beautiful cat. This one also you can see the roof, the lights, you can see the beautiful lights and all, and the down lamps, the wall. And this one you can see the beautiful decoration, the lamp, the black color theme, maybe cupboard or sitting place area, very beautiful. This one also you can see very beautiful, the lights and the up lights, very beautiful lights, the blue color and the floor. This one for girl place, you can see the cupboard keeping shoes and all of girls. Inside you can see the flower, beautiful. This one also you can see the bed, the red color bed, the up small lights and all, and the floor wooden theme. This one the black color theme, the roof you can see the lights, and the down the black color table, beautiful table and all, the big hall, very beautiful. This one the wall decor, the wall decoration, beautiful. The roof, this one also very beautiful. You can see the outside view, it is like in jungle, beautiful decoration. I love this one also. This one also very beautiful. So I hope you like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment and then press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And don't forget to comment me down which room decor you like. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.